Welcome back to the channel. We are finishing up our bathroom renovation. Janetta's vacuuming. We are putting up our linen closet shelves. We got the pieces cut. We got to sand them and then stain them. We got all these pieces right here. Alright, my battery died on my other camera as we were doing this, so we got all our plywood stained. Look at this one. Isn't that cool? That's cool. I like this one too. And all the little supports and trim pieces for the shelves. So we gotta let these dry before we can get polyacrylic put on them. While we're waiting for that stuff to dry, we're gonna go to Sherwin-Williams to buy some paint for this. I bought this off a marketplace a couple days ago. It's pretty solid. Looks cool. I'm gonna take this skirt thingy off down here. We're gonna put some hairpin legs on it, raise it up a little bit, put a cool paint job on it, and paint the hardware, and flip it. The thing's tiny though. Hopefully someone will buy it. Saturday. We've had a pretty busy day already, and we are putting our third coat of polyacrylic on our shelves for the bathroom. Hopefully we can get them hung today. Now we've got that third coat of polyacrylic on those, we're going to try to get some work done on these pieces of furniture we have. This new thing, we're going to take the door off and sand it up and put some primer on it. Bought some paint for it. It is a green color, Croft bottle green. Then I think we're going to get this sanded up. I might cut this base off today too and build a frame or a base for the thing with that wood down there. So we're gonna get started. I'm hoping to have this finished in a couple of days actually. We'll see. Alright, we got quite a bit of work done. We got the first coat of primer put on this. And made a giant mess. Started this dresser. All the drawer pulls are taken off. And then we got base cut off of this and built a new one. It's my first time doing this, and I'm not quite sure about it. I'm gonna get the legs, I guess, and see if I did it right, if it's strong enough to support the whole thing. There wasn't a whole lot to attach that stuff to, so I don't know. We'll find out. If not, I will figure something out, or we trash the whole dresser. Hopefully not that, though. We got 2 coats of primer on this. Jeanette got the second coat on today. Sunday, Easter Sunday. It looks really good. The gray even looks good on this, but we're going with a dark green with some hairpin legs. I'm going to take that base off of it and spray paint some gold hairpin legs for it. Hopefully that'll look good. And I think we got our shelves done. They're nice and shiny and smooth. I'm going to have to install these tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, I'm going to do it tomorrow when I get home from work. Alright, this is what I got. It wasn't the easiest thing to do because it's such a small space, but it's done. We're going to put in the shelves and air nail some trim onto it.
It's gotta be. Getting there so perfect. The only one I know is this is number 2. And this is number 3.
Wrong way.
Huh?
Isn't it the wrong way? Nope. Okay, so our cuts aren't perfect, and these walls aren't perfect either, so it made it difficult. But we're gonna see. I wanted to put trim like this. On there, but because of our cuts, there's a gap there. These little supports are longer on this side, but I think I'm okay with that. That looks good. Yep. All right, and that's our linen closet. We're gonna get some towels put in here. It looks pretty good. That's a very tall shelf there, but that'll be fine. Now we just got to trim this bathroom, and I think that's it. All right, we got our first coat of the green paint on. Looks really good, and I kind of like it with this wood grain down here. That's still gonna go, but this green with a wood, dark wood, would look nice. All right, I'm gonna show you one thing before I close out this vlog. These possibly are legs for that big dresser that I just built the base for, but I did order 2 sets because I didn't know how tall I wanted it. These look like the 4-inch legs, and I ordered 6-inch legs too. Those are pretty cool. I'm gonna put both of them, well, set both of them on that dresser to see which one I like the height more. But they look cool and they're solid. Real heavy duty. And that's the end of the vlog. got the first coat. It's gonna need one more, but it's almost done. Well, I'm gonna try to finish editing this and get it posted. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.